Hello, everybody. Lois Threlkeld here, Ladies of Justice League, and we're going to discuss right now episode 1 of our podcast, which is an explanation of the question, what is a bird dog? So here we go. Hold on tight. So what is a bird dog? In the real estate investing strategy, it's perhaps the easiest, certainly the most affordable real estate strategy we have. So in real estate investing, a bird dog is like a property scout or a finder. It's someone who hunts down great real estate deals and brings them to investors. So here's how it works. As a deal hunter, that's number 1, a bird dog actively searches for potential real estate deals. This could be properties that are undervalued, distressed, or maybe just that they have high investment potential. Number 2, connecting the dots. So once the bird dog spots a promising deal, they connect with real estate investors who might be interested in buying it. And number 3, deal presentation. So the bird dog presents the details of the deal to the investor, including information about the property, its condition, potential value, and any other relevant factors. Number 4, finder's fee is where you get paid. So if the investor decides to move forward with the deal and successfully purchases the property based on the bird dog's recommendation, the bird dog receives a finder's fee as compensation. You make money. Number 5, win-win. So the bird dogging is a win-win arrangement. Investors get access to potential deals that they might not have ever found on their own, while the bird dogs earn income by identifying valuable opportunities for investment. Number 6, relationship building. So successful bird dogging involves building relationships with investors, real estate agents, and others in the industry who gain access to valuable leads. You never know who's going to help. Number 7, local expertise. Bird dogs often have a good understanding of the local real estate markets, which helps them identify properties with potential. This can be invaluable to out-of-state investors because you are the boots on the ground. Number 8, no financial risk. Don't you love that? Bird dogs don't need to invest their own money in purchasing properties. Instead, they focus on finding and presenting opportunities. Number 9, skills needed. Well, to be a successful bird dog, you need a good eye for spotting deals. You need effective communication skills, and you need the ability to quickly evaluate the potential of a property. Number 10, ethical considerations. It's important for bird dogs to maintain ethical standards and integrity. They should provide the accurate information and avoid misleading investors. Just to wrap up, in essence, a bird dog is like a scout sniffing out hidden treasure in the real estate landscape. They play a critical role in connecting investors with potential deals, and their earnings come from their ability to find valuable opportunities that benefit both parties. If you'd like some more information on this topic, please visit us at ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Lois Threlkeld. Happy investing and happy bird dogging. There you have it. Enjoy. Make sure you put a heart, like this video, please make a comment, and share it. Thank you. Take care.